Hi everyone. I thought I would actually take a look at the information, the analytics that YouTube provides to its creators, and just to see how global my channel is. So what you would call a micro YouTuber, very small channel. As you can see from the screen, I only have 11 subscribers. But I wanted to just check and see, you know, how global this thing is. If I really wanted to step up my game, what information YouTube provides. So I'm in the Creator Studio on my laptop. I don't seem to be able to get it from the mobile phone. So using my laptop in Creator Studio, you can see the name of my channel, so another, how many views I've had so far, that there are 11 subscribers. You can see what YouTube rates rather, watch time, how many views, how many subscribers I've had in the last 28 days. So the last video that I did actually has given me 4 more subscribers since, because I think I was at about 6, now at 11. And $0 revenue, of course, only channels with 1,000 subscribers will ever earn revenue. Um, but I'm here, still creating content, just to document my sewing journey. So I'll be continuing with the channel nonetheless. So let's take a look at what it is saying. It gives you the list of videos. There's a video manager which tells you how many persons have viewed, how many persons liked that particular video, or comments they have made. But what I really want to check is how global the channel is. So let's go to analytics. On the left hand side, I'm going to go into analytics. It's loading analytics, and it's given me information for the last 28 days automatically. Alright, if you scroll down, there's the same watch time information that was there in the dashboard. All of that information about your likes, comments. I keep on scrolling, it gives you your top 10 videos. For me, I only have 6, so it's all 6 are there. And right at the bottom here, it says top geographies. And so you'll see now that I've had viewers from the United States. Most of my viewers are from there, 61%. Then the next set of viewers are from Jamaica, which is my home country, 16%. I have some viewers in Canada, 14%. In Curacao, 2.7%. And Indonesia, 1.9%. Okay, so let's click on this a little bit more to see what other information, drill down, that YouTube provides. Okay, so here is the long list of countries that are watching my channel. So there's a little map first, and then there's a listing of all the countries. And right at the bottom here in the far right corner, 1 to 15, it means that there are 15 countries so far. Um, so my small channel is globally known in 15 nations. YouTube ranks them in terms of the watch time. That's the most important thing to them. So the first 5 that we saw, United States, Jamaica, Canada, Curacao, There's also Indonesia, United Kingdom, France, Israel, Mexico, Australia, Sweden, United Arab Emirates, India, Iraq, and an unknown region. So pretty much quite 15 countries. Not bad for a small micro channel. Now, if I want to look at, let's go back. Just below the top geographies, there is another section called traffic sources. This is going to tell me how are my global viewers finding this channel. And if you notice, most of them are finding it through the browse features, some through actual YouTube search, other YouTube features, and then there's by other means. So the browse features is what is directing traffic towards my particular channel. Let's click on it again to get some more detail, to drill down and get some more details. Okay, so we're looking at traffic sources, and YouTube gives you an explanation for all of the traffic sources. There is a little question mark here. When you click on it, it tells you browse features. So it's the traffic from your home page, your home screen, subscription feed, other browsing features, includes both signed in and signed out users. Alright, so home screen, subscription feed, that generally is where I'm getting the most traffic from, in my case, for my channel. The second is from YouTube search. Let's click on the little question mark here. Now, the question for YouTube search is the search terms that the users put into the YouTube to find your content. Okay, so here's where your keywords are very important. So if you click on YouTube search, it will tell you what are these terms that these viewers around the world have been searching for. Wait a little while, it's loading, okay. And wow, there are a few here. There are 20 terms in all that viewers, when they enter the search or keyword, they get directed to my channel. So top is the beginning sewing projects. So what this means is in YouTube search, someone typed in beginning sewing projects and was able to find my channel. So this is a keyword that you want to use because I am a beginner. Then you have persons who have looked directly for a particular pattern. So Simplicity 2917 search term. Then some just type maybe sewing and got directed there. Some type sewing garments for beginners. Some type sewing plans. Beginner sewing projects. New look sewing pattern tutorials. Sewing shorts for beginners. New look patterns. Knee-made sewing. Clipping some of them. Cloning patterns. Yamata, that's my machine. I had to come across anybody with the Yamata machine, but somebody was searching for that machine with a model, and so it's there. So these search terms give you an idea of how what people are looking for and can help you with your keywords to put into your videos. I'm gonna go back again now. And then there are other traffic sources, suggested videos. My videos appear as a suggestion alongside other videos. So this is a good thing to know. I'm getting much time from some of those that get directed from suggestions. Then you have channel pages, notifications, playlist pages, external. So these are all useful analytics that YouTube provides, and it's really important if you have examined that bit of information for your channel. It would be a good thing for you to do, and just to see exactly how global your channel is and how are your viewers finding you, and also would help in creating content because you can actually see which of the videos that those viewers are looking at, which ones are more popular, which ones are giving you more watch time, and you can actually not just look at it for 20 days, you can look at it for a lifetime, for the whole time your channel, that will be a lot of data. Or you can, let's see, you put up a video the last week, you can just click on the last 7 days, see what's happening over the last 7 days of your video for that particular video. So let's see if there are any changes over the last 7 days. Well, the last 7 days, they were only interested in 3 of my videos. The sewing plans one, the beginner project, and the sewing purple the pattern. Okay, so remember over 28 days, all 6 were there, but just in the last week, these are the 3 that are generating interest. The last 7 days, pretty much the same pattern here. United States, Canada, Curacao, France is there. Jamaica is at the bottom now. So some of the other countries around the world are showing more interest over the last 7 days. And traffic sources, definitely from the browsing features mostly. YouTube search is actually very low, 3.3%. So the browse features is what is helping most of the traffic towards my channel. So there you have it. How global is your channel? Well, check it out. Go into YouTube Creator Studio and see what you're able to find out. I hope this helps someone, and thank you for watching. Bye.